Journaling is a powerful tool that can transform your life and help you achieve your dreams. If you're new to journaling, don't worry, it's easy to get started. Find a journal that resonates with you and set aside a dedicated time in the morning. Choose a quiet and peaceful space where you can be alone with your thoughts and reflections. Before you begin, take a moment to set your intentions for your journaling practice. Think about what you want to achieve and how you want to grow through this process. Start by writing down your goals, big or small, and be specific about what you want to manifest in your life. The act of putting pen to paper helps you clarify your thoughts and bring your dreams into focus. Don't worry about grammar or spelling, just write from the heart and let your thoughts flow freely. Use prompts to get started if you're feeling stuck or unsure of what to write about. Reflect on your day, your emotions, your gratitude, and your aspirations. Journaling allows you to dive deep into your subconscious mind and understand yourself better. Writing down your dreams and goals helps you create a roadmap towards achieving them. Remember to be consistent with your journaling practice, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Morning is often considered the best time to journal, as it sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. It allows you to clear your mind, set your intentions, and align yourself with your goals. Make journaling a sacred ritual and enjoy the process of self-discovery and growth. As you continue to write in your journal, you'll start noticing patterns and themes in your life. These insights can guide you towards making positive changes and manifesting your dream life. Journaling also helps you express and process your emotions, leading to greater self-awareness and healing. Read back on your entries from time to time and see how far you've come on your journey. Don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day. Just pick up where you left off and keep going. The power of journaling lies in the consistency and commitment to your practice. So grab a pen, find your journal, and start tapping into the transformative power of writing. Whether you're seeking clarity, inspiration, or personal growth, journaling can be your companion on this beautiful journey. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more life-altering insights.